Hello everyone, I'm Ben Robinson of Yum Yum Racing and Solar Motorsport. Today we're here at the beautiful Mallory Park to see if together with Dave from DTB Motorsport and Terry from Born HPP we can get the Noble fired up for the first time since the end of the 2019 UK Time Attack Championship. So, why has the car not been started for so long? Well, that's because we've removed the old engine and Dave at DTB Motorsport has fitted a brand new Noble M15 engine, a car that never actually even made it into production. The engine then went to Born HPP, who took it apart, they blueprinted it, rebuilt it, coupled it together with a couple of new turbos, and along with a Life Racing ECU, we're hoping to get initially around the 400 horsepower mark, but then we'll be able to build it up from there and hopefully turn it into a bit of a monster. Before that power can reach the road, it needs to go via the gearbox. Now previously this has been a really weak point for me in this car. So this time round we've gone as strong as we could. We've sourced possibly the strongest gearbox that we can for the car. The Hollinger sequential. It's come all the way from Australia and it's going to put the power down via these absolutely beautiful image wheels. So there we have it, one working engine. Now we're nowhere near finished, still quite a bit of way to go, and with only 5 weeks left until the first track outing, we still need to get the engine running. We need to get it on the dyno to be tuned, because we've got a few different settings that we want to put on it. We need to tune the gearbox as well, we need the loom to be made for the gearbox, and there's a couple of little teething issues that we'll need to sort out as well. But all going well, we'll be there at Alton Park on the 11th of July. See you there.